Continuing with E46, we have completed the transmission swap, but we still need to tune it. It's still not ready for the road. We still have a whole bunch more small stuff to do before we could daily drive this car. So let me show you. Okay, starting in the car. We still have a check light and a little gear icon. Our wipers, they stop halfway. Our window switch is broken and our window doesn't work, and we're missing our seat belts. Can't drive without no seat belts. Okay, to fix the seat belt issue, we have 2 used seat belts from eBay, right and left side. So let's just get to it and install these seat belts. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull both seats out so we could get to the back bench seat, and then we have to remove that too. Okay, just like that, the 2 front seats are out. Now we gotta take the bench seat out, which this you should just pull up and it just pops right out, but now you just slide forward. Okay, now there should be 2 screws under here. I already took one out. And now this panel should pop out. Should. Keyword there, should. Okay. I'll take this weather strip back a little so I could get in here to pry the panel open. Go. Panel is open. Okay, we got the panel open. We don't need to take the whole panel out. There's two pop pins here. I could take this out and get this trim piece out, and pretty much the seat belt is down here. So I'll just peel the carpet back just a little bit, and there should be a bolt down there to hold the seatbelt in. Oh. Right there. So I'm probably gonna have to take this foam out to get to that bolt, and then I could get the seatbelt out. You just peel the carpet back, push it down, and there's a little 7 screw here that holds that foam piece in. You want to unscrew it, which is a really long screw, and this should just pull right out. There you go. This is the bolt we got to get to. This is a T50 Torx. Pull up, slide out, and that's it. Seatbelt is out, and they cut the seatbelt. I don't know why. Why would they cut the seatbelt? That's weird. So now we gotta install the new one. To know the difference on the seatbelt, they have a mark here. So this side is the left, and the other side is gonna have an R for the right side. So this would just slide in, drop down, and the bolt. Oh man. click. Now I install back the little foam piece in there. There we go. Okay, now I undo the 2 push pins here. This should pull right out. That's 1. That's 2. And this comes down, and I think I broke it.
You big dummy, see what you did?
And I took it out because it's supposed to slide up in there. And I think I pulled on it and I broke the little tabs. Oh well, I'm gonna have to fix that. Now we could undo this bolt that holds the top of the seat belt. Okay, now that's out. And now I could put the new one in. There we go. Put this foam piece back in. There. Put the screw. You just want to remove this bolt and slide the loop inside and put the bolt back in, and that's it. And that's one driver's side seat belt installed. Okay, that's how you install a seat belt on a 2004 BMW 325 Ci. So it's pretty much the same on the passenger side. So I'm just gonna finish it up. In the next video, we got the window regulator to fix, the switch, and the wipers. And then I'm gonna get the car tuned to get that check engine light off, because we changed the transmission. It needs to be recoated to get that off. If you guys want to know how, you could look up online. There's a bunch of forums on how to do it, but that's gonna be it for this video. Catch you in the next one.